I'm so excited to show you guys a gorgeous glam look using the brand new AXEL PRO brushes. I love how much control this stippling brush actually gives, which is rare. And the highlight brush, I am obsessed. The concealer brush is probably my favorite, although I love them all, but wow, it makes my job so fast, so easy, so seamless. Love it. Probably the best foundation brush out there is this one. It is so good, so dense, so beautiful, so soft. Pulling out the highlighter brush yet again to use my favorite Get Glam Beauty highlighter. It is amazing for cream and for powder. The brow brush is very multifunctional, as you will see, and I love how it applies powder. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Speaking of powder, can we just talk about this powder brush? It is probably one of the most perfect brushes I've seen for powder because it's got such a good size, not too big, not too small. Another clear winner is the angle brush. Perfect shape, perfect density. The small angle brush is perfect for so many reasons. Obviously the nose contour, yes, but also you'll see the eyes. Back into rotation is the brow brush for my lips. I loved using the small blending brush for the nose highlight. It did such a perfect job, as you can tell. The angled eyeliner brush is perfect for carving out the brows. The large eye brush is a dream come true for transition shades. Yes, oh I love it. With the blending brush, I was able to further deepen my crease and it looks so good. Here's the angled eye brush again, fits like a glove under the eye. And with the mid-eye brush, I was able to pack the lighter shade on my lid very well. Using the various size blending brushes, I was able to deepen the dark and lighten the light. It was so good. Using the angled eyeliner brush, I prepped everything with the powder liner and then followed up with the eyeliner brush to use with the best Inglot gel liner ever. I love me some Moxie Lash, and that's really been consistent for years. You know it's not a look if you don't add some glitter. And for the ultimate nude lip, I'm using Get Glam Beauty Posh Lipstick topped with Inglot Diamond Lip Tint. And that is what I call the look. In conclusion, the AXEL PRO brushes are an absolute hit, and you can find all the details in my description.